every night.
A man who gets drunk every night doesn't need sympathy. I can hold my liquor with any man. There's only one drink that even makes me a little dizzy.
Well, which one is that?
The 14th.
The 14th? Well, here's 22 looking at you.
Okay.
Well, what time is it?
What?
What time is it? What does the clock say?
Oh, the clock says tick-tock, tick-tock. And the doggy goes, woo, 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 woo. And the pussycat goes, meow, meow.
You're off your cookie.
Oh, bartender, give me another drink. A horse's neck.
I have a horse's tail. No sense killing 2 horses.
Hey, buddy. Hey. 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 Excuse me.
You're excused.
Hey.
I gave it the office.
No. I beg your pardon. I seem to have the hiccups.
Say, Frank, who's this guy? I never saw him in here before.
I don't know. It's either Dr. Jekyll or Mr. Hyde.
Did anybody ever tell you look like Marcus Welby?
Everybody.
Oh.
Hey, listen, Bernie, we gotta help Marcus here with his hiccups. We gotta do something for him.
I got an idea.
You got an idea?
Just be cool a minute.
Okay.
Be cool. Watch out for the snake!
A snake!
Oh,
Where'd it go?
Well, I thought that's gonna help. A lot of times that works with the hiccups.
Oh, you just scared him, huh?
Yeah, no, that won't work. I like snakes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Hey, hold on. It did work. My hips are... I lost my hiccups.
Help! Uh-oh. Yeah, I scared him out of you and into him.
Oh, my goodness. Look what you made me do.
Well, hey, I'll tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Here. Drink this, hold your nose, and count to 10.
Okay, drink this, hold my nose, count to 10.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's not the way to do it.
No.
That's not the way to do it. You can ask the doctor. Now, I'll tell you what. Okay. You drink.
Don't waste it. I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
How'd you do that?
I aim for the hole. Wait, I know what you want me to do. You want me to...
Get your finger out of there.
Okay, you want me to drink, and you count from 1 to 10.
You drink, and I'll count.
Okay.
Okay, Doc?
Okay. Let me have this. Let me have this.
Let
Okay.
him have.
Commence
Aim for the
counting.
hole.
Commence counting.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, hurry up. It's about ready to close. It's almost 2.
It's almost 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey. How about 1 for the road? Just 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, so did I.
What?
I just ate.
You did 8. That's probably what gave you the hiccup.
2.
2, 3, 4,